mataas ang aking bike. Oh my god. Kapagod. That's the tallest building in South America. So ayun, natatanong ko siya. And I'm going there. That side. So ayun guys. See you later. Doon ako galing. Doon. Oh my god. Terrible, right? Doon ako galing. There you go. And my bike is here. Always. My bike never left me. My only companion is my bike. So doon ako galing guys. Okay. And here we go. There. So my bike is here. There's a river. So there you go guys. Ito lang maganda dito sa Chile. Kapag Sunday and Saturday, kino-close po nila yan guys, yung daan. Tapos, pinapadaan talaga nila yung mga bikers. Ganon. Pero alam ko hanggang 11 lang yata or hanggang 12. I'm not sure. Kasi may mga sasakyan na dumadaan na eh. So, ayun guys. Oh, may isang biker para masira yata yung bike niya. So, ito, panay-pahinga namin ang aking bike. There you go. Pahinga din pag mag-time. Di ba? There you go. Nandito ako sa lake. Ah, may mga bite. Ayun po guys. Look at them. Nandito po ako sa park guys. You know, paulit-ulit na lang yung buhay ko. ganito talaga pag mag-isa. Sarap kayo ng buhay pag mag-isa guys. Kasi you have freedom. Alam mo yon. Wala kang oras. Kahit anong oras gusto mo lumabas. Or yung katagpo mo lang yung bike mo. Ito yung bike ko. I love my bike. It says there. So ayun guys, there are so many people here. Isa po itong park guys. Okay, napakalawak na park. Malaking park dito sa Chile.